You got Danita with Booty Bands, and we are going to talk about how you can get more curves and more results with your body when you actually increase your self-love. Today I'm going to give you a tip and also a challenge that are absolutely amazing that you can do right here, right now, today to help improve your results and as well getting more self-love. Do you ever wake up in the morning and you think immediately, I gotta check my email, I gotta take care of my kids, I gotta go to work, I gotta take care of that for somebody else, somebody else, somebody else, somebody else, somebody else? Where are you actually finding time in your day that you're putting towards yourself? And now if you did yoga, or you did your cardio, or you were able to do an exercise, or you were actually able to meal prep and eat healthy today, then you are in alignment with focusing on your self-love. And therefore you are getting more results and you're going to be getting consistency, which is key to really truly getting that. So the challenge that I have for you today, if you have not been putting yourself first, which is most common because of course we're givers, we're lovers, we're nurturers, and we're constantly doing that for other people, but now it's time for you. So right here today, without doing anything for anyone else at this moment, I want you to take some time for yourself. First, I want you to be what is your number one most profound statement that that you find gratitude in. I want you to think, what are you most grateful for right here, right now? But I want to know what is coming from you. What are you most grateful that you do for yourself, for who you are? And then the next thing I want you to do is I want you to do an action. Today is an action. Either meal prep something healthy, eat something healthy on the menu. I want you to take some time for an exercise, whether it be a walk, cardio, or an actual Booty Bands workout. Or I want you to meditate, yoga, stretch, do something that is healthy and nurturing for you. I challenge you to do that today, and I want you to go ahead and comment below what you did today. I would love to see how you were able to put more self-love into your day-to-day. So go ahead and hit subscribe, like our video if you would like to see more workouts, more self-love, and more content to help boost your mindset and your self-confidence.